We do have to get a check at the forecast. 9:45 on a Sunday morning. It's another big story for us today. That wind starting to pick up, and we're going to be seeing rain and colder temperatures.
Yeah, a few showers in the mix, but mostly it's the wind and also the drop in temperature that people are probably noticing. Even if you've stepped outside or just stood next to a window, you can probably already hear the wind howling outside.
Yeah.
I stepped outside about an hour ago, and you could definitely hear what's going on, and you can kind of see that from our cameras as well. I want to start you off with a view from the Medical Mutual SKYCAM. I think this one's mountained down just a little better than our other cameras because there's been a few shakes here or there, but watch what happens when we change the view. This is the one that's really almost looks like it's flickering because we've seen such an uptick in our wind, and on top of that, temperatures throughout the morning, they've also been steadily on the decline. Right now we're at 46 degrees here in Columbus, and once you factor in that breeze, look at this. At a 26-mile-per-hour breeze, not only is it shaking up the cameras, but it makes 46 degrees feel more like 37. So with a stronger wind, we're feeling about 10 degrees colder than those actual temperatures are right now. Wind speeds consistently, they are upwards of 30 miles per hour and even stronger in areas like Piketon. 41 mile per hour consistent wind down there now. And those gusts are really the big concern for us now. That's kind of those pulses of even stronger winds that move through. And you can see gusts already have been topping off at 43 miles per hour over in the London area, 47 mile per hour gusts down towards Circleville, and even 45 mile per hour gusts in Athens. Certainly going to be strong enough that you can hear those, you can see those. And as far as what's left in the way of showers, I don't expect widespread downpours by any means, but wouldn't be surprised if we did still see a few almost misty showers left out there throughout the morning. So again, where did all this come from? It came from that cold front that started sliding its way across the area yesterday, and as it moves its way off to the east, I do still think we could see maybe a splatter of rain here or there, but that will be on the light side. The thing that won't be on the light side all day long, those strong and gusty winds. We're going to keep around that westerly breeze as we head throughout the afternoon, and we could see gusts at times even upwards of 40 to 60 miles per hour. So especially those of you up to the north of 70, this is going to be where we have high wind warnings in effect, so you're most at risk of those 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts. As far as what we're looking at for those little splatters of showers here or there, you'll notice not only the green representing rain, but those little areas of blue and pink indicating maybe a flurry or two as we head throughout the afternoon. And the big reason for that is going to be all linked to just this fall in our temperature. We're going to see temperatures by lunchtime right around 40 degrees, falling all the way down to the 20s tonight. So first thing tomorrow morning, make sure that you are staying nice and bundled up. But grab the sunglasses too, because Monday is going to be one of those deceptive sunshine days where you've got the sun shining bright, but we're only topping off in the mid-30s. And the next chance for some showers will be moving in for the second half of the work week.
All right, Liz, sounds good. Hey.